If you're experiencing tingling, burning, stabbing, or shooting pains in your feet or hands, you may be dealing with nerve damage. Nerves in your body carry electrical signals from your brain and spinal cord throughout your nervous system. Sometimes the tips of these nerves can become damaged, leading to sharp, shooting pain, particularly in the toes or fingertips. In more severe cases, you might notice numbness, a loss of balance, or muscle weakness. This condition is known as peripheral neuropathy and can be caused by factors like high blood sugar, excessive alcohol consumption, poor blood circulation, or deficiencies in certain nutrients. The good news is, there are specific vitamins and nutrients that can help heal nerves naturally, restoring normal sensation in your hands and feet while alleviating nerve pain. And that's exactly what we're going to explore in today's video. When I mention vitamins, I'm including antioxidants, minerals, and phytonutrients that can naturally repair nerve damage. The first item on my list is alpha-lipoic acid. Taking 600 milligrams of alpha-lipoic acid 3 times a day can help repair and heal your nerves. This natural antioxidant is produced by your body and is commonly prescribed by German doctors to relieve symptoms like nerve pain, tingling, and prickling sensations in the feet, legs, and hands. It works by improving blood circulation to the nerves, helping to nourish and repair them from oxidative damage. Additionally, it supports the transmission of electrical signals through your nerves to your brain, just as they should naturally. You can also boost your intake of this antioxidant by consuming high-quality organ meats and red meats, such as beef liver, cod liver, or grass-fed beef. Secondly, the most important vitamin for nerve healing is vitamin B1, specifically in the form of benfotiamine. Nerve issues often arise from a diet high in junk food and excessive sugar levels in the blood. High blood sugar causes inflammation and oxidative damage to the blood vessels connected to your nerves, which can lead to nerve dehydration and short-circuiting. This disruption sends incorrect signals to the brain, resulting in pain, numbness, tingling, and other symptoms. For natural nerve repair, you can take 300 milligrams of benfotiamine twice a day. As a fat-soluble nutrient, benfotiamine can pass through the fatty outer layer of your nerves, healing them from within. It's also effective for easing anxiety by calming the nervous system, promoting a sense of steadiness, focus, and relaxation. Additionally, you can get regular B1 or thiamine from foods like sunflower seeds, beef liver, pasture-raised eggs, and asparagus. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health and nutrition tips. Now, let's talk about item number 3, which is extra virgin cod liver oil. When it comes to healing your nerves and brain, it's crucial to incorporate foods rich in DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. DHA serves as a building block for new, healthy neurons and nerve cells, and it is the most abundant fatty acid in the brain. You can get DHA from fatty fish like wild salmon, sardines, anchovies, and mackerel. However, the richest natural source of DHA is Icelandic extra virgin cod liver oil, with a recommended dosage of about 1 teaspoon per day. Omega-3 fats are highly anti-inflammatory and can help reduce inflammation and swelling in your body that may be impacting your nerves. Next on the list is one of my favorite health-boosting foods, which is nutritional yeast. If you're looking to heal nerve damage and prevent future issues, I highly recommend consuming 2 to 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes daily. These flakes are loaded with B vitamins, which play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy nervous system. Regularly eating nutritional yeast can help regulate blood sugar levels, support nerve repair, and boost energy by improving glucose metabolism. Other excellent sources of B-complex vitamins include shellfish, seafood, eggs, and dairy products. Number 5 is an active ingredient called curcumin, which is found in turmeric. Turmeric is a spice in the ginger family and has been used for over 4,000 years to reduce pain and inflammation in the body, and it's used for a wide range of different health problems. You can add 1 teaspoon of this to your stir fries, curries, or drink it in a glass of milk to help restore your nerves and reduce all types of nerve pain. I highly recommend also adding a small pinch of black pepper, as this helps your body absorb the curcumin up to 2,000 times better. Turmeric works by helping your liver produce glutathione, the master antioxidant that heals and nourishes your nervous system. I understand that there is lots and lots of information in this video to take in, so feel free to pause, rewind, and take notes if you need to. Now, the sixth important nutrient for your nerves is zinc. Zinc is a vital mineral needed to build neurons, hormones, and neurotransmitters, all of which play a crucial role in your nervous system. It is especially beneficial for protecting and healing the nerves in your eyes, particularly for those with diabetes. You can increase your zinc intake by consuming oysters, shellfish, seaweed, crab meat, liver, beef, and pumpkin seeds. Alternatively, you can take a daily supplement of 30 milligrams of zinc chelate. Getting enough zinc helps stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent further nerve damage. Next on my list for treating nerve damage is the all-important vitamin B12. Many people suffer with a deficiency in vitamin B12, especially the elderly or those on a plant-based diet like vegans or vegetarians, for example. However, B12 is absolutely essential when it comes to your nerves because it helps to build the protective coating around them, which is called the myelin sheath. You can get more B12 by eating shellfish, seafoods, red meats, eggs, and algae. Getting more of this into your diet helps to build red blood cells that nourish and feed your nerves in order to repair them. If you want to take a supplement, you can take up to 1,800 milligrams of B12 daily to stimulate fast nerve regeneration. As a side note, please choose methylcobalamin as your B12 supplement, as cyanocobalamin, the more popular, can have toxic side effects as it contains traces of cyanide. So as you can see, there are a range of powerful nutrients and vitamins that you can use to heal and repair your nerves in order to restore the normal sensations in your toes, fingers, hands, feet, and other damaged nerves in your body. Many of these nutrients are already in the foods that you regularly consume, so you can start by eating more of these that we have shared in today's video, preventing further damage. Although you may start taking supplements and loading up on nutrients in your diet, it's very important to know what caused the nerve problems in the first place so that you can stop this from happening again in the future. One of the most common causes of nerve pain and nerve damage is consuming too many A.G.Es in your diet. These advanced glycation end products are basically sticky proteins that build up on your nerves and block the normal signals from flowing through them. A.G.Es come from eating proteins and fats that are mixed with sugar in foods such as barbecue-coated meats, ice cream, pizza, donuts, flavored yogurts, fast foods, etc. Secondly, another common cause of nerve damage is having high blood sugars from diabetes or prediabetes. Having too much sugar in your blood causes damage to the blood vessels that feed your nerves. This causes the coating of the nerves to start breaking up, and then the nerves start to short circuit, causing numbness, tingling, burning, etc., as they are similar to a wiring system.